ZxuluBeedz banging. Jejeuf fatigue. Cheikh Amadou Bamba. Jejeuf fatigue. Cheikh Ndigeuel Fall. Back. Cheikh jejeur. Jejeuf fatigue. Ayaba. The Oracle. Jejeuf fatigue. Prophet Noble Drew Ali. Islam. What up? All right, so. Oh. On deck, though. Look what we got on deck. On deck, we got Majesty. Rastafari. Yes, these will be available if you'd like to purchase. Nefer. Ooh, Shek. That's Shek right there. Nefer out of the order of Ma'at. Yeah, man. Give thanks. Then we got Ndigeuel Fall, my rosters in the building. Rastafari. Yeah, man. Serious super shit here. This is some serious super shit. Of course, warp check. Little quick warp. Yeah. Warp on, yeah. All right, cool. And then we hot little check medallion coming. That's gonna be hot too. All right, so real quick, take a look at that. Can you see that? Did like the digital thing messed up? Let me turn the light out real quick. Maybe I'll catch that better. All right, this gonna be a cool video. Okay, there's a lot of shit going on here, man. Ow! This like hot is up edge. Whoa! Can y'all see that? See that? You got that? Turn that way some shit. All right, come back. Man, I'm bad with the navigation. All right, so see that lion right there? That's Cheikh Amadou Bamba, that's the lion. There's a story. Remember Daniel, the lion then in the Bible? Well, that kind of happened too over with the Cheikh. Because, you know, when they grab you and you like a prophet dude or freedom fighter, so you know the authorities going to grab you. The French colonizers, they grabbed Cheikh Amadou Bamba to kill him. And they throw him in the lions, and they throw him in there with the lions. Yeah, they throw him in there with the lions, so the lions eat it. The intention was for the lions to eat the Cheikh. You dig what I'm saying? So it came to me in the dream. I know exactly what happened and why the Cheikh did not get eaten by the lion. It's a miracle. One of the Cheikh Amadou Bamba's miracle was being that he was in there with the lions, and the lions did not touch him. In fact, they said that the lions came out as a disciple. Right. Give me 2 seconds. I'm going to push pause, and I'm going to tell you how that happened. Why the Cheikh? Because how? I'm that lion. Yeah, I was the lion in the den with the Cheikh. Hold on. I'll be right back. All right. Back. If you're from Senegal, Touba right now, you're probably doing this. If you're American, you're probably doing this. If you're a hater, you're probably doing this. Astaghfirullah. Anyway, so what happened? Well, I was the lion in the den with the Cheikh. I came in there, and I'm already pissed off because they had captured me too. See, that's what y'all don't know. See, the lion was already pissed off. They had already captured me, a couple of my boys. They had Musimba over there. They had Mustafa. They ready got him over in another tank. And then they had my black ass in there. Well, I was a lion ass at the time. I had my lion ass up in there talking about going in, eat people. They didn't starve me out. I'm starving. And then they send me in here. Cool. So I'm already pissed off. I'm coming in there. I'm going to tear shit to pieces. You know I'm a lion. I get in there, I see this dude sitting white, like, immediately I was like, He was like, have a seat. I was blown. I'm like, you can hear. I couldn't believe a human heard me. He could hear what I was saying. The Cheikh was like, have a seat. He didn't even move, just have a seat. Then he poured me a cup of coffee. Look. So the Cheikh pours me a cup of coffee. I sit down. He says, listen, man, you can growl, what's the name, come over here and try to eat me if you want. That ain't gonna happen. Or you can listen to what I gotta say, and I'll show you how to get out of here. Growl. Yeah, if you listen to what I say, I'll show you how to get out of here. Come on, with the Cheikh had my attention. Growl. He had my growling attention. So we talked, we potted for a second. He told me what I had to do to get out of here because I've been captured just like he had been captured. I mean, he had been captured against his will, stuck into a cage. I've been captured against my will, stuck into the cage as a lion. We had two things in common, and the common thing was the French colonizers. So why would I eat the Sheikh after he gave me what's name? So basically, he gave me a couple zikkers, told me to say growl ilallah. I turned to the Sheikh. I was like, Sheikh, growl ilallah good Allah. Growl ilallah good Allah. Because that's lion talk. Fuck la ilaha illallah. Growl ilallah good Allah on these beads. That's all I got to do. He said, yo, look. Just say growl ilallah on these beads. And in the future, you'll come back and tell everybody this story as the lion. And ain't I a lion? Look at me. Tell me I ain't a lion. He told me that by saying growl ilallah good Allah 1,011 times on my beads, as you can see right there in the back, 111 times, 1,011 times on my beads each day as a lion. In the future, in 2014, that I would manifest as a man and would let everyone know that Bamba Fap, growl ilallah, good Allah. That's how Cheikh Amadou Bamba was able not to be eaten by the lions and perform this miracle for all the world to know about. I dare anyone to challenge and tell me that I was not that lion.